everyone, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw one of Godzilla's most epic and kind of craziest moves, and that is his awesome flying drop kick. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla Flying Kick, let's begin over here at the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve in and then out like this. Next, let's go ahead and draw a little curve for the eye. And then we'll make a little line underneath here. Next, starting here, let's bring this line up. We're going to come down and then kind of curve it for the top and back of the head. Next, starting right here, let's bring this line up and kind of curve it around. Then we're going to start right back here, and we're going to make kind of like a wavy line for the mouth, and then we're going to bring this up to here and kind of curve around and in. Then let's go ahead and connect this, and we'll connect this line. Next, we're going to bring this line down for like the jaw. And we're going to put a little dot right here for the nose. Next, starting right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to kind of curve for the back of the jaw. And then right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down for the neck. We can also bring this line down a little bit for the back of the neck. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go up to here for the arm. Next, we're going to kind of curve this line like this. We'll make it come to a point, and we'll bring it back for one of Godzilla's fingers. We'll make another one here, and then we'll make another one right here. I'm going to bring this line up and then in. Then I'm going to curve this line around for the arm. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. And then we're going to make another arm over here. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve like this to a point and come back. That's going to be kind of where the thumb is. Then we'll make one that's going to curve out to a point and come back. We'll do one here and then one here and kind of bring it in. Then come down. Next, I'm going to curve a line up and down. And that'll be kind of like where his shoulder's going to be. Next, we're going to start here, and we're going to bring this line down a little bit. Then we're going to make the leg. Let's bring a line that's going to come up and then down. Then right here, let's bring a line up, and we'll curve this in and come down. We'll make another point here, and then one here. Next, I'm going to bring this down, and then curve it up here. Make a little line across here. Then I'm going to curl this line up for the back of the leg, and then we'll make another curve right here. Next, I'm just going to bring this line down. Then we're going to make Godzilla's other legs. So make a line that comes up and down. We'll make his other foot here. So we're going to make a point here, one here, and then one here. Make a little line across, and then I'm just going to bring this line down and up. Next, we want to make his tail. So I'm going to bring a long line that's just going to come down here, and we're going to curve to here. I'm going to curl this around and bring it right up to here. Now, the next thing we want to do is add the spikes on here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make about 3 little pointed bumps. And I'll continue that down here. I'm going to make this next one a little bit taller. Then we'll make one about the same size. Then I'm just going to make another one here, just kind of getting like a first little row of spikes in. And I'll put one here. And we can even add some onto the tail too, keeping them pretty close to the same size, kind of like little crowns almost. Now when I get to here, I'm going to start making some little taller ones like this. Then I'm going to make a nice big one right here. Then I'm going to put another tall one right here. A couple little lines in there. Now I want to come in here and add some different details onto our Godzilla. So right along here, I'm going to make a couple little broken lines by the mouth. And then I'm going to make some little broken lines that come right along the back. I'm going to put some little curved lines right across the front. And I'll put some more of these little tiny lines right along here. I'm going to do some little curved lines by the feet. And I'm just going to kind of add some more of these little lines right around here. Just kind of add some quick little texture and detail to our Godzilla. We can even do some over here. And then we can start making some that kind of go up and down. Like this, and some right along here. And I'm even going to put some that kind of go up and down here as well. Just kind of right along the legs and everything, just for some fun detail. We'll add some curves for the claws on Godzilla. And then we'll add the curves onto the toes as well. And then a couple more little lines on here. And then let's add these same lines going right down the tail here. And then we'll make some going across, so we can make it look like it's kind of rounded. I'm going to put some lines kind of going right along the head. And then a couple little lines up and down the chin here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla doing his famous flying kick. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.